A bitch got her motherfucking nails done, bitch. Yo, why the wine got me tipsy? Careful. Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry, God. Yes, y'all, we came to work on a Sunday. Only because I moved my last client yesterday to today. And it worked out for her too. So we both agreed, I see you on Sunday, boo. Yeah, y'all, I'm leaving now. About to warm up my tea. I keep getting this goddamn medicine ball, y'all, as if I'm sick. The Starbucks man even was like, I hope you feel better. Like, I'm not sick. I was gonna go get my nails done after this, but I'm so hungry, my stomach hurt, that I think I might just go get my food and go home. And it's raining and shit, y'all. Like, it's raining. I'm about to see if it rains tomorrow, though. If it rains tomorrow, I might as well just do it today. No, it's not gonna rain tomorrow. It's gonna be sunny tomorrow, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Probably do that tomorrow. Y'all, I'm back home. I went to Chipotle. I didn't film that because I was just in and out, y'all. So I went to Chipotle, got me some food, got me some chips. I need to get my nails done. I'm doing that tomorrow. I said I wanted to say, because it's just too rainy outside. Like, look how it looks out there. So I'm about to eat, watch movies all day, and chill. Chipotle that made our stuff, he was so nice. Like, he just got everything together for us, like, and y'all, we didn't have no cash to tip him, so we had to, I cash apped him and tipped him. Cause he just, like, y'all know, I don't know, I get all my stuff on the side, as y'all can see, and a lot of them Chipotle people, they be really irritated by that. He was not irritated. He had a family of 5 behind him, and he still worked diligently. Yes, when I look back, I didn't even see the wife. All I saw was about to watch Pearl. Then what? Right, that was the name. Kill who? When they killed the dad. I'm only putting it on him. That's all I'm eating right now. I thought he was being funny. I was like, I called another nigga a twin, but he said, if I'm not mistaken, this looks like the same house that they had. Hell yeah. No, ma, it's funny because that's a TikTok. It's a sound. The man was like, you. Like, hey, what the hell? Yeah. What you just do? Kill the bird? Kill the ram? They say somehow they all got. They be like, we want to see you take a bite. Oh, no. And it don't always be like this. They did. Huh? Ain't gonna shoot. Then that's gonna do. I done bust my tire. I don't know how I did that. I'm gonna put it in a picture of how it looked before so y'all can see, but yes, I'm getting it fixed now and then I'm going on about my day, but that's my morning. Good to go? Yeah, I guess I'm good to go. Good. Yeah. He just fixed that tire so freaking fast though. Yes, he just fixed. He just fixed my tire so fast. Let me put my GPS in. But literally was just driving, right? I was just driving, so my tires was already low, and then I hit a fucking bump. Cause y'all might not know, but Houston streets is fucked up. So yes, I hit the bump, and then my tire started feeling all wobbly and shit. Bitch, I got the wobbly. I was like, hold on. Oh, they better go for they missed the light. They arrow is green and it just turned red. You have disappointed me. But yes, these few little lashes irritated me. But yes, y'all, so he fixed it, and now I'm on the way to the nail shop, and then I'm getting my hair done after this because I'm filming another tutorial. Can y'all believe how good that tutorial did, bitch? Like, I can't believe it. I mean, I can believe it because I believe in me. But at the same time, now my blinker going on fast and shit, y'all. Like, I'm gonna need to get that switched too or something. Like, don't piss me off. Don't piss me off. But, oh, fuck. This bitch. Get my hair done. I'm filming another video today. Congratulations to me for almost getting to 600. I'm seeing 1K. I'm seeing 1K in a minute. I'm seeing it in my vision. If I'm already about to get to 600, right? Mind you, the last hair video that did really good, that went up to 800, almost 9, right? That took longer, right? So I feel like since this is getting the traction faster, I feel like I'm gonna get to that 1,000 quicker. You feel me? Yes, I'm excited. So, more of the story, y'all, it pushed me to record another video today. I feel like I shouldn't waste too much time. I shouldn't have like that many gaps in between each video I do. I shouldn't. While I have their attention, you gotta keep shit going while you got people attention. And I'm really on this consistent thing this year, so this is part of me being consistent. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, and I really don't even want to say this because you know how many girls wish that they can get their hair done as much as I do. So I don't even want to say that, but I am tired of doing my own hair. I will say that. I'm tired of doing my own hair. I'm not tired of getting it done. But that's a blessing too, because if I couldn't do my own hair, I'll be having to pay somebody else. So I take that back too. But yeah. So I'll see y'all at the nail shop. It's 11:25 and I'm drinking wine. I needed that, y'all, after my goddamn tire and shit. So I'm getting my French tip back, but I think I'm gonna add a pink star on one of them maybe. I might just keep it all the way classy, but I don't know, I kinda wanna do a little star. Yeah, I'm finna find a picture and start the show. Bitch got her motherfucking nails done. Bitch. Oh shit. Bitch, I'm gonna drop my other phone. Water wine got me tipsy. Bitch, I'm tipsy. I'm tipsy. And I gotta forget me. Oh, I got a motherfucking piss. But they cute as fuck. I'm not gonna lie, she didn't do the star how I wanted to, but y'all, I'm short on time. It's 12:30. Dose got a motherfucking appointment at fucking 12:15. I mean, I said 12:15. She would have been missed that, huh? At 2:15, and I still had to do my hair. Fuck. Yeah, y'all, I'm gonna call them and see if I can move her appointment to 3. That's what I was talking about. I didn't tell her the ADHD be ADHD, but I didn't tell her to make it bigger. Well, I actually did. After I saw this, I said, okay, when you do it on the thumb, can you make it like bigger in the picture? I'll put the picture up so y'all can fucking see. I don't understand why she did it this small. I think a lot of the Asians in the nail shop, they be trying to do what they think is cute, and it's like, bitch, I didn't ask you what I thought was cute. I feel like it was one of those things. He need to get off my ass, for real. Calm down. But yeah, it was one of the, yeah, bitch. I ain't had time. I had time to tell her, like, you need to fix this. I need to hurry up and get here and start my fucking hair. Y'all, I was supposed to been did this. Like, I was supposed to get my nails done yesterday, but it was raining and shit. I talked myself out of it, which is fucking stupid. Like, I should did that shit today, but it's okay. I'm finna go do my hair, finna call the vet, and just wish me fucking luck, and y'all will see my hair when it's done. Y'all, I forgot I was recording, but y'all, I'm just sitting here commenting on Armani video, DMing him and stuff. Y'all, I went through Wild drive-thru and got me an espresso martini. I knew they had a drive-thru, but I never thought, I probably could just go pick up an espresso martini, because I didn't feel like sitting in there tonight. It's dark. I mean, not as dark. It's cold in there, and I don't want to feel anybody else's vibe. I just wanted to be in my space, play my music, and my warmth. Yeah, y'all. I'm almost done. But I think it's a fun. I am like, listen, y'all. As a guest. Why I started watching this, because I'm thinking of some outfit inspo, and I'm like, bro, Raven used to have the fucking fits on, and I didn't even realize it. Like, maybe that's why I loved her so much. Plus, I think she's Sagittarius, but yeah, she is that girl. I look a mess. Good morning. Look at my fucking hair. Like, but I'm about to go film some more content, another tutorial. I look so. The front of my hair is still black. Okay. All right. Yep. Hey y'all, I finished with my hair. I finished with my hair. Y'all like it? What y'all thinking? It's so big. It's the same hair, y'all. Same curly hair. And I put it back in only because of the tutorial, of course. So that's where we're at right now. put it in for that, and I still didn't even add all the pieces of hair in there, y'all, and this shit's still full as hell. So that just goes to show that whenever I start selling this hair, they're not gonna need a lot of bundles, and that's good for them. They don't have to spend that much money. But yes, y'all. I'm actually on my outfit. I had to put on a little jacket because even when I take off my coat, bitch, I'm still be something. So, it's like 30 degrees here, y'all. It's supposed to be a freeze tonight or whatever. That's the lowest Houston really gets, like in the 30s. And everybody's so scared. Let's put this light right here, because why not? But I get it because, y'all, the last time we had a freeze, it did go crazy. Like, we lost water for like 3-4 days, I think. To be quite frank, baby, I don't got the time for no bullshit. I don't. We didn't have a freeze last year. We didn't have one before that. I definitely don't want to go through that this year. So, kind of prepared, y'all. I got food, got water, got my baby some food. I got pots and pans, so I should be okay for real, honestly. But you just never know in Houston. Which I like my hair. I feel like I just like really motherfucking did that. To go try Dubai chocolate. I know that y'all have been seeing it on TikTok, and it looks good, and I want to try it. So I'm about to go try it. Okay. I'm about to go try it at Susie's pastry shop. I found her on TikTok too. Cause I don't got time to be ordering shit, making it, all that shit. Switching lanes, scaring a bit. Oh, it's cold. It's snow. It's hailing. Bitch, it's hailing. No fucking lie. I gotta warm my car up. Bitch, I thought somebody was in here. The box got the moving. That is my biggest fear. Is somebody might have been in my car when I get in my car. I'm so freaking out. A moment for the ADHD. Y'all like that ass? I got one notch of gas, bitch. Hold the fuck on. Oh. Shit. Fuck. I forgot my fucking tripod, y'all. Y'all, it's really hailing. Like, what the fuck? Alright, I might be exaggerating. It might not be hailing. Might not be hailing, however. Y'all, why I get all the way here just for this fucking place to not have what I want? They didn't have it. They don't have it. Okay, they have it, but like they only got, hold on, turn that shit off. But y'all, they had it, right? They only had dark chocolate. Do I look like I eat dark chocolate, bitch? Do it. I didn't want that. So if I'm gonna try it, I want to try it the right way. Fuck. I'm gonna come back when they open up again. I couldn't get this. I'm gonna go eat some soup or something. Good morning, y'all. Yes, I slept with my jewelry on. I always sleep with my jewelry on, even though it's fake as fuck. Somebody out here with their hazards on. Yes. How are they going that miles per hour? Nowhere. I don't know what they're doing. But y'all, I was just trying to show y'all. It's raining. I mean, raining. It's snowing in Houston. Like, that's crazy. Like, I'm kind of excited. I don't know why. I guess maybe because I haven't saw snow in a long time. But it's cute. And I'm about to be in the house. Yeah, got me some food. I gotta cook it though. Ugh, I ain't cooked in a minute. You know what's crazy? I need to make sure I got everything because I don't think I got no cooking oil. And baby, things is closed. But y'all look, I'm starting to get more freckles. I used to think that these was blackheads, so I started popping them, and like I was creating scars on myself and shit. The freckle was like, I'm permanent. What are you doing? Trust me, I get cute and take a picture in the snow and catch me a little winter look. I don't want to see your granddaughter experience snow for the first time. Okay, chill out. You need to stop. You acting like a crackhead. You just want to play. 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 Get back. Hey, let's show the people that we like. Sit down for a second. Come here. Lindsay. Where's Rice? Hey. It's only right if I take a snow shot, right? I'm gonna get my tripod from the car. Do you know you have 30 minutes? Did you know? No, you didn't know. Look at it, y'all. Like, wow, I'm getting snow falling on me. Oh my god. What's over her? Who am I dating? So cute. This is more than 2 kg. When did you tell me that? An hour ago? Big stairs. Where's that? There used to be a rock right here. I'm careful. Oh yeah, he's peeing.
He does not like the cold nor the rain.
She doesn't either.
Oh gosh.
BB. You like it, honey? You're like, what is this? I put the keys in the door. We're in the snow. Is your feet cold, honey? Oh, I'm putting her in a hot bath. She's shaking? Yeah. Listen now. Y'all can jump there. Guess I got to have her little first experience. Feet got cold. I'm hot.
Oh, it's the tequila.
Like, did you read my mind? As soon as you said it, I thought my next words about to be, oh, we was drinking. Then you said it's the tequila. I'm sitting here hungry with no food. Like, no food. Like, this is crazy. I'm crying. I'm just playing. I'm not crying. But yes, y'all, I got groceries. I ordered some groceries. The lady didn't get everything. I was rushing to work, never checked. So I did find a grocery store that's open. It's like a little Hispanic grocery store. I'm about to go to the store and get some food because I'm getting hangry, bitch. I'm getting hangry. Look at this ice, y'all. It's literal ice. Dark is crazy. They was in the dark. It was like. We made it. With my mother. We should get a little cart. So y'all, I'm making macaroni and potatoes, and my mama is making the fried chicken. I'm not making like the normal baked macaroni I normally make because I don't feel like doing all that. So I just got some shredded cheese. I don't even know what kind of cheese this is. This is not just for the camera, baby. I don't like to use that for nothing.
he was growing. Because
Okay.
God didn't meet with the connect. He did. As our people get is greedy. He got greedy.
He did.
Greedy, and he lost sight.
Hey. Hey. I've been chilling. I ate the food. I watched Belly and Scarface. Take a shot for me.
On point. Yeah, I forgot about the door. And the wall all the way around my house too.
Oh.